Here we go. All right. Hey guys. I want to start today kind of like I've started the last couple days, okay? Just going over behavior expectations, okay? So when I'm talking, your voice is at a level 0. And when you're talking, your voice is at a level 2. I'm going to ask you to talk to your table partners again today. So when that's happening, level 2. And then I need you to stay in your seats for the lesson. All right. Okay, we have a fun lesson today. I'm super excited about it. Raise your hand if you've ever lost something. You ever lost something? Okay, what do you do to find it? What do you do to find it?
Look for
What?
I do not. I write my red card.
You lost your red. So what did you have to do to find it?
I looked in the
You looked for it.
Yeah, you look for it.
Does anybody know what song that is?
What song is it?
You ever heard that?
Mystery song.
It's a mystery song.
It's from Scooby-Doo.
It's Scooby-Doo.
I know that movie. I know that movie.
I love Scooby-Doo too. Look. Yeah, today I brought Scooby-Doo and a magnifying glass.
I have a Scooby-Doo stuffed animal.
Yeah, because we are going to find
I have a Scooby-Doo book.
unknown numbers, okay? Oh, goodness.
What's wrong with your home?
Okay, so we are going to use, what does Scooby-Doo do? Has anyone
He
seen the
looks for
cartoon?
mystery. I see it.
Have you seen the cartoon?
Yeah, and I've seen the new movie.
Okay, what do they do?
Got scared. They go. They save the world.
They do save the world. What does Scooby-Doo do?
They do mysteries.
They solve mysteries?
I want the cop to it with my big sister.
Yeah. She went with her big sister. What does Scooby-Doo do?
One from monsters.
Yeah, run from monsters.
He finds the monsters.
Find monsters.
He runs away with Shaggy.
Yeah, he does run away with Shaggy. So today we're going to put on our detective hats. And we have our own little magnifying glasses, okay? Because we are going to find what's called unknown numbers, okay? All right.
I'm gonna take a hat.
So go ahead and get your whiteboards out, okay? Get your whiteboard out and your dry erase marker.
Well, I can pass through.
Not right now. You have to stay up here by me. But thank you. Good job. Get out your mark.
That means that it's making a number bigger.
It's making your number bigger, yeah?
It adds a bigger number,
It adds a bigger number.
and it makes a bigger number than the one it started.
Bigger number than the one it started, okay? Did you have something? Okay, so yeah, you're adding numbers together, we're plussing them, okay? So, what if we did this number though? What is this?
It's minus. It's minusing.
Minusing, yeah, what else do we call that?
Subtracting.
Subtraction, anything else?
Adding.
Okay,
Karate chopping numbers.
karate chopping numbers, I like it. Anybody else?
Taking them away.
Taking away, yeah, taking apart, good job. Hey, you guys are doing so great, thank you. All right, so today I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Okay, so you don't need your counters out yet. I'm just gonna show you up here. If I can get this bag open here. Okay, so my brother Todd loves candy, okay? So we're gonna pretend like these are pieces of candy that he has. So Todd has 4 pieces of candy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you don't have to get yours out. We're just doing this one. Okay, so we have 4 pieces of candy. Write it up here so you can see. And then we add 5 pieces of candy. Okay, he went trick-or-treating and he got 5 more pieces of candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pieces of candy does he have? What? Oh, my A? Sorry. Yeah. Does anybody know how many pieces of candy? Should we count them? How many do we have?
9.
9, okay. Anybody else?
9.
9?
5. Because he did 8.
Yeah, we had 4 and then we added 5. Yep, we have 9. Okay. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, good job. Okay, let's say that, so this is how we're going to write it. What is this called, this part right here?
Number
sentence. Yes, good job. Okay, what is this part right here?
Equal.
Equal. What does it mean to equal?
It adds a bigger number.
Okay, raise your hand.
It adds a bigger number or a smaller number.
Okay, so the number on this side is the same as the number on this side. So if you're comparing 9 to 4.5 or 4 plus 5, it's the same, okay? All right, so let's say that we're doing this problem and I tell you that my brother Todd went trick-or-treating and he got some candy, okay? He got some candy in his Halloween bag. And then he went to another house, so we don't know how much he got, okay? So we're going to put that right here. He went to another house and he got 5 pieces of candy, okay? And then he ended up with 9 pieces of candy.
So how much is right there?
Great question. How much is right here? This is the unknown number. That's when we have to put on our Scooby-Doo hats, our detective hats, and figure that out, okay?
This is my detective hat.
You put that on, your Scooby-Doo hat. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Do you know?
Yes.
What is it?
4.
4? How did you know that?
Because 4 plus 5 equals 9.
4 plus 5 equals 9. Good job.
And it equals 14.
Could you start with 9?
Yeah.
and then take 5 out?
Yeah.
What if we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? How many do I have in here if I took 5 out?
2. 4.
If I take 5 out, then I can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Or we know that we have 9. Right? We have 9 pieces of candy.
Yeah.
And then we know that he got 5. So we know that we have 4 left, right? So there's a couple ways to do that, right? So however your brain wants to do it. If you want to do it with counters and cups, you can do that. If you want to do it with circles, you can do that, okay? So this is what we're trying to find. You did a great job. Okay, so let's say my brother Todd went to trick-or-treating and he got 4 pieces of candy. And then he went trick-or-treating some more and he got some more candy. And then when he got home, he had 9 pieces of candy. So how do we figure out this number? What is that number? How do you figure out? 5. He says 5. Does anybody else agree? Raise your hand if you agree. What do you think, bud?
4.
4? Okay. Any other answers?
5.
5?
9.
9? Okay, so we have 4 plus 5, 4 plus 4, and 4 plus 9. What's 4 plus 9? Does anybody know? What?
12.
12 plus
13.
13. Okay, what's 4 plus 4?
8.
8. Okay. What's 4 plus 5?
9.
9. Okay, so which one is this answer?
9.
9. Okay. Hey, were these good guesses? Yeah. So there's different ways. I love how you guys use your brains to think of different ways to do it. So you can do the counters, or we can figure out in our brains, or we can do circles, right? All right. Okay. So go ahead and get your cups and your counters out, okay?
Hold on, our counters are 2 bags.
Don't put it in the cup yet. Just put it next to it. Don't put it in the cup yet. She tells you when you put it in the cup.
You guys want to stick with the candy story, or should we do a different, like, animal?
Is everybody like
Oh, pumpkins? Okay. Okay. Miss Darling's class got. Okay, do you have your whiteboards out too? Okay. Let's say that we got 5 pumpkins. Okay? For our class, we got 5 pumpkins. So go ahead and write 5. And if you want to put those in your counters,
put your pumpkins in the bowl.
put your pumpkins in the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right.
I didn't do mine yet.
Okay. And then go ahead and write your 5 on your whiteboard, okay?
Go, we got 5 pumpkins for our class. 5. Put 5 pumpkins in.
You get them in there, bud? Oh, yeah? What happened? Okay. Oh, I like, she drew 5 pumpkins. That's neat.
Quick little circles.
Yeah.
Good.
I just drew a 5.
All right, and then, guess what? Miss Haight showed up and she gave us 2 more pumpkins. Okay? So, go ahead and put 2 more pumpkins in there. 1, 2. Or, like I said, what's your name?
Tatum. It's Tatum.
Tatum drew 5 pumpkins. So you can do that also. then you add 2 more. Now can someone raise their hand and show me how we're gonna write this in a number sentence? Can you go ahead and write it on your board? Write your number sentence on your board so I can see it.
What number sentence?
Remember how you write it
Do
with
you remember how you write a number sentence with the plus and the equals?
symbol?
One.
I'll do this
I
part.
don't know how to do one like this.
Then what do I need after this? Can you raise your hand and tell me what do you need, bud?
Equal.
Equal. So this is your number sentence. Can you go ahead and write that? So you have your change diagram and then your number sentence.
It's seven.
Okay. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Can you raise your hand? What's your name? Addie. How many pumpkins do we have now?
Seven.
She says 7. Does everyone agree? Raise your hands if you agree. All right, 7. Okay, can you hold up your board so I can see your number sentences? Good job. Okay, nice work. I like the pumpkins. Good job. Okay, good job. Okay,
Quit looking at me.
now let's practice again. Okay, go ahead and erase that. Now we're going to practice find the unknown number, okay? You guys ready to be detectives? Miss Darlene's class has 5 pumpkins. Miss Haight brings us some more pumpkins.
We know how many more?
And we end up with 7 total pumpkins. Go ahead and write it out on your board. And we're looking for this number right here. What number is that? When you get it done written, I want you to tell your partner, okay? Tell your partner at your table what you did to figure out the unknown number. How did you be a detective and figure it out? So when you're done, share it with your partner. So you're going to share it with her. You guys are going to talk about it. So you guys are going to talk about it. Can you tell me?
I can do 2 and then the 7.
We have 5. Kate brought us some more. We don't know how many, and now we have 7. How many know that 2 was in there?
How many do you think you have? Oh! What do you think is supposed to go in the middle? I got half of her.
Good. He's going to tell
There
her.
you go. You tell me you're out there. What did you do?
7.
Okay, but what was the other one? So how do we know that it's 2?
Because we have 5. Because 5 and this
We have 5. Mrs. Tate brought us some more. Did you? We don't know how many she brought us, and now we have 7 in our car. So how many did she bring us?
How did you do it?
2. And Mom.
Good job.
Would you come here?
All right. How did you guys do it?
And when I got new
All right. Are you guys ready for a really hard one?
Yeah.
You guys are doing so great.
Wait, say it. 105. Nope, you're wrong. 105.
All right.
You are wrong.
Are you ready, sir? Are you ready? Go ahead and erase your whiteboard. Miss Haight brought us some pumpkins. She brought us some pumpkins. Then she brought us 3 more. And we had a total of 9 pumpkins. Okay? How many did she bring us the first time? We don't know.
6.
Okay, work it out on your board. Work it out on your board. Remember, you can use your counters and put line in, and then take 3 out. Or you can draw circles.
So how do I do my I have 8 pumpkins.
Okay, we have 9 pumpkins, so start with 9.
Okay. I have 9 pumpkins and one of my pumpkins died.
Oh my God.
How are you supposed to do it?
Okay, we'll start with 9.
How many we have now, right? 3. But we don't know how many we started. So she brought us 3. So how many should we start out?
Okay. All right, hey, let's go over this together, okay?
How many are left to see how many she brought?
All right. So we know that she brought us 9, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9 pumpkins, and we know that she brought us 3. How many should I take out of here? 3? Does everyone agree?
Yeah.
So if I take out 3 pumpkins, do we know that's how many? We have that information. How many am I left with?
6 pumpkins.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Good job. Good job. Okay. So when you guys are doing your math stuff, you might see instead of a question mark, they might just put a line there or a box that you have to fill in. Okay? So that's where you would write your 6. Okay. All right. Let's do one more together. Okay. Are you guys ready for a hard one?
Yeah.
All right. I had 8 pieces of candy.
Candy.
Okay. Miss Darling came into my room and she ate 6 pieces of
I
candy.
ate them. I ate 6. I'm gonna have a bellyache.
6 pieces of candy.
How
How many pieces of candy?
eat them?
First of all, what sign should I put right here for my number sentence? Raise your hand.
I'm eating them.
Yes, ma'am. A line? What's that called? Subtract. We're going to take them away
Or
or karate chop them, right? So what's another way you could draw 8?
your fingers to do it.
You can do your fingers. You can put 8 in your cup and take
Boom.
6 out.
I did my cup.
So raise your hand when you know. Actually, tell your table partner.
I think it is.
Tell your table partner how you did it. Okay, how you got your
How many
answer.
does Miss Amy have left?
And then I'm going to call on somebody to tell me.
I ate 6 of them. They're going away in my belly.
You start with 8, you take 6 away. Inside.
How did you do it? You understand? Ready?
Yeah, she only has 2. I ate way too many.
5, 6, 7.
Hey, Miss Amy has 8 pieces of candy. There's her 8. How many of them did you eat?
Now we're going to take 6 out. So write your subtraction sign.
I ate 6 of them. 6 of them are in my belly. Are they going away or are we adding more?
No, it's supposed to
They're
left.
going away because they're in my belly. So I'm going to put down 6.
Pikachu, go.
6 out. Take 6 out.
You will fall to the chair. Back to fall to the chair.
Take 6 out.
Oh, good.
Lucy and Liam.
Guys, set in your chairs, please. And have you discussed how you did it? Go ahead. Okay, can you tell her how you worked it out? Okay, so how many do you have left? All right, good job. How did you do it? Nice job. Okay. How did you guys do it back here? What did you do to figure out?
I told him.
Okay, what did you tell him that you did?
So I used my fingers and I had 8. And then I took away 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now I'm at 2.
Okay. She used her fingers and she had 8 and she took away 6 and she got 2. What did you do? What did we do over here?
I don't know how to explain it.
Did you start with so many in your cup?
That's 8.
You had 8 in your cup and then what happened?
I took 6 out.
You took 6 out and then what'd you get?
2.
2, okay? How did you guys do it over here?
I took away 6 and it landed on 2.
Okay, and what did you do, ma'am?
And I used my pumpkin.
Your pumpkins? She used her pumpkins. How did you do it? Used his fingers, okay? How'd you guys get it over here? Do you like using your counters? He likes his counters. Okay, so yep, that's 6. Okay, let's say though that I have some candy, okay?
You know what you're supposed to
And
do.
I know that Miss Darling came in and ate 6 pieces and I ended up with 2 pieces. How do I know how much candy I started with?
8.
How do you know that though? Okay, we already told you to say, okay, let's do a different one real quick then. I have 6 pieces of pizza because I'm really hungry. And I go to eat my lunch and I realize that someone has already eaten some. And now there's only 3 pieces left. How do I know how many pieces somebody ate? You ate it, mister? Write it on your boards. I want to see it in your number sentence. So I had 6 pieces of pizza, and somebody ate some of my pizza.
Somebody ate some.
And I only have 3 left.
I have 1,000 pizza.
What is this number? That's what we're trying to figure out.
Everybody
You can use your counters, you can use circles,
and they
you can draw a pizza. Good job.
So get 6 counters.
Yep, you can get 6 counters.
Take away 3.
What's your name again? Callie? Okay. Callie's gonna tell us how she got it, okay?
She said that
Callie, what'd you
there
do?
were 3 more left, and 3 plus 3 is 6, and if you take away 3, then
What'd you do, Callie?
I put 6 pennies in my cup, and then I took 3 out, and then there was 3 left.
Okay, she put 6 pennies in her cup, and then she took 3 out, and there was 3 left. So her number, so is this what you're saying? All right. Okay, great job, everybody. Go ahead and erase your whiteboards.
Do I have to erase this, darling?
No, just keep it on.
Okay,
Oh, that's yours.
so go ahead and raise your hand and tell me something that you Okay? So we're taking away, when we subtract something or minus it, we're taking it away. What about this?
Plus. It's add bigger numbers.
You're adding bigger numbers, you're putting, what, anybody else? What's it?
Number sentence.
Number sentence, okay, yeah, it's in the number sentence sometimes. We're putting numbers together, right?
Plus.
Plus, yep, you said plus, okay? What is this called? What is this whole thing called?
Number sentence.
Number sentence, okay. And right here, what is this called, sir? You know what this is called right here? Equals, yeah, good job. Okay, so the numbers on this side of the equals are the same as this one, okay? What is this called right here? What are we doing there? What are we trying to find?
The first number.
The first number, the unknown number, okay? And how do you guys do that?
Put on your mystery hat.
Put on your mystery hat and find the unknown number. All right. Hey, thank you guys so much. Do you have any questions?
Remember you said that we could prove karate chop?
Yeah, I'll get you your cups in just a second. Any more questions about this?
No.
All right. I have a short little worksheet for you guys to do, and then we'll move on. We'll karate chop. All right. Thank you guys so